This video will show you how to use the Pulse Scaling Assistant for pulse data that was recorded from a HOBO logger that's recording pulses. Examples of loggers that can log pulses are the UX90001, the UX90004, or the U30 station with a pulse input adapter, or perhaps an energy logger or a microstation with a pulse input adapter. The other types of loggers, the UX120-017 also can record pulses as well, and it would work the same way. What we're going to do is we're going to open up a file that we already have recorded. So we're going to click File, Open Data File, select the file in question, and open. And you can see here that we've recorded counts, which what we call pulses or counts. And those are recorded as a number of counts or pulses per interval. You can scale these in the launch window, which we've talked about previously. However, if you didn't do that, this video will show you how to do it post-processing or after you read out the data. So what we want to do is HOBOware understands that what kind of measurements are made from the type of logger that was connected. So here, because we have counts recorded, it gives us the ability to select either the kilowatt hour assistant, which is based on pulses, or the pulse scaling assistant, which is used for generic type devices or third-party devices that output pulses that we are recording. So we're going to select the pulse scaling assistant and we're going to click process. So here, what we see is we see what the raw data is, and we're saying that the raw data is in counts, and we're going to say one count equals some kind of scaled number. I previously put in gallons. You can put in anything you want to. Here, for example, if we had this hooked up to a flow meter, we could say gallons. That's what we have here, and we're saying one count equals 1 gallon. And then we can call the series name flow, or we can change it to anything we want. Actually, let's change that to water usage, or again, anything you want to put in there. And we're going to click on create new series. And then what you can see here is now we have a new series based, it says water usage in gallons. We'll unclick counts because that's our raw data. I'm going to unclick our internal events because I don't really care about when the file ended, just for clarity. And we're going to click plot. So here what we see now is we see an interval. This logger was set to a 1-minute interval, and here's our flow, our water usage in gallons based on that scaled parameter that we put in there for those counts. If you want to save this file in this format, you would select File, Save Project, and again you would save it as a HOBO project file so that it keeps that scaling in place for future viewing. And then click Save. For more information about using HOBOware and HOBO products, please go to our website, onsetcomp.com.